Lisa with WTI. I was looking for a lunchbox that was not only cute, but it was very functional. Let me tell you how I've been loving this one here and why. This lunch bag from iPhixx comes with an adjustable strap and 8 reusable ice packs. Even though it looks small, it's very spacious and can carry so much food. Right here, I was packing food for my husband and for myself, and everything fit perfectly. You can either choose to carry it with the handle or to use the adjustable shoulder strap. This is so comfortable, it's so lightweight, and it looks adorable. Of course, don't forget your drink. You can always add it on the side. This is perfect if you're looking for a lunch bag for work, for any outdoor activity, or for vacationing, since this is easy to bring in your carry-on. I love that it's a black color. They have other colors as well, but this one is so elegant and it matches everything. I also love that it has a double zipper in its gold color, giving that perfect contrast with the black and gold that makes it super fancy. Something that I really appreciated as well is that it's leak proof and it's also easy to clean with this aluminum lining. So if you're going for that feminine look that doesn't have a square shape, then definitely go for this lunchbox. It looks super cute all the way around, but that's just my point of view.